I think I inhaled that. Holy shit. It's getting pretty nice out. Wind is dropping right now. Ooh, I can smell chemicals. That plane flew over and he wasn't even close, but I could smell it. Oh, wow. It just changed here in just, well, I just smoked one, but I've been hanging out. It's been windy, or breezy, I should say, keeping the bugs off. Of course, I'm stoned. I just wanted to do a stroll and show you guys. Been hanging out here by my lonesome all day. Kind of blessed in a way. I've got other places that I'm kind of surprised. I've seen people down here before. It's a private place, kind of. It's public, but you don't want to intrude, you know. Anyway, oh yeah, that water. A little bit green. A little bit green now. Can't even see the bottom there. I don't think I'd get to 7-year itch. Yeah, the algae's in full bloom. It could be the cattail, or not the cattail, cottonwood. I don't see cottonwood around here. But, yeah, kind of green. There's a lone pelican. Let's see.